Today we're taking down this tree. It's got to be at least 30 feet tall at the very highest. This tree's an ash tree. It's just rotted out. You can tell by some of these limbs are just collapsing by themselves by the heavy wind. And the woodpeckers love this tree, mostly because it's rotted out and that's where the bugs like to lay. But say about hopefully under 2 hours, but if not, just a little over. Stay tuned. Progress. A couple more main trunks to cut, like that one up on top. This one off to the side. And then that's it for all the higher cuts. Everything else will be gravy. Hard part's done. Just chopping it into more manageable pieces. Woo, out of breath. That was a nice good cut. Now to take down the rest of this stump. Everything's gone.